Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to record like the script using the default template in the JMeter. Okay, so we can record the like the recording the script or the recording the transactions manually also, but we have default template in the JMeter. So based on that, we no need to add the thread groups and the samplers and all. So by default, if we select that one, we can regard the like transactions. So today now we'll see that one. Okay, so this is JMeter. So go to here and click on these templates. Okay, here we have different options. Okay, so select this one. First of all, we'll see about this one, recording with think time option. We'll go with first recording one. Okay, select record and click on create. Okay, here you can give anything, like if you are particular recording with any application web URL, you can provide here. This is output file. So as of now I am not giving anything. So this is the scheme to record. It's based on the application, so that's up to you. So you can give anything based on your requirement. So click on the create. Okay, yeah, so it's created. So it's this is how it looks like. Okay, let me explain you one by one. So here it will show the user defined variables. Okay, so the user defined main the variables. Okay, so how exactly you are imagining about the variables, that's how same we are going to use. So we are defining one value here. We are going to use this one in couple of times. So using this variable name. Okay, so this is how we can you can use this user defined variables. So I'll show you in the next videos how we are using user defined variables for the script. Okay, for the transactions and all. So this is the HTTP request defaults. This one also we'll discuss later. So this is the cookies manager, cookies and caches. So if you want to clear of the each iteration, so it will stores, right, like cookies and caches. So if you select this one, it will clear after the single iteration, after a single scripting, right. After we are replaying the script, it will clear all the cookies and caches. The we can add cookie manager also, cache manager also here, but defaultly with the template it will come only cookie manager. Okay, so coming to thread group, so here we have the recording controller. Okay, so then we have the view results tree. Okay, so so here, so this thread group. Okay, we have the this thread group. So we need to so here today we are going to record one script for this application. So this is the one, the script. This is the web tools application. Okay, so here we are going to perform launch. We are going to launching the application, and we are going to click on the sign up. Okay, we are going to click on the sign up button. Okay, then we are going to fill the details and click on the continue these details. Okay, click on, we're going to click on the continue. So then we are click on the continue to login, then we are going to click on logout. So this is the transactions we are going to perform now with default template. Okay, so let me show you for this one. Okay, so before that, we want to know about here. This one I have installed in my local system, this web tools application. So for that one we can use our we want to know like our IP address. So based on that our IP address, we can access the application. With the local host also we can access, but for sometimes it won't record all the like events. So for that we can use this one, our IP. Based on the IP address we can record the application without any issues. Okay, so this is the IP address, you no need to worry about that. So for that you can go to the command prompt, you can type ipconfig, so then you can know your IP address. Okay, right. So then we'll go with the HTTP test script recorder. This is the view results tree. So here we can able to see the results tree. Okay, so this is the thread group. Okay, so here we can add transaction controller for recording the action. So this is the first action. So then coming to add one more. So by based on you can name it as like I have named as a TC1 TC2. So that's up to you. Based on your your convenient, you can modify the name. That's not a big deal for you. So okay, so then you need to enable this uh, HTTP test screen recorder. Okay, so then you need to copy this, and before that go to the request filtering. Okay, add suggestion excludes. So Okay, it's already added, so that means like it won't record unnecessary items and all from the Google or Microsoft, which are the browser we are using. Okay, that's fine. So then you can select, go to launch application, because this is the one we are going to use. Okay, so go to the Google and go to the proxy. You need to set a proxy, then only you can access the application with the JMeter. Okay, use manual proxy setting. This is what this is what same thing we are going to use. Let's find use a proxy server. Okay, okay, use the proxy server, then click on save. Okay, cool. So I'm closing this one. Okay, so then I'll go here. So yes, we have added transaction controllers, right? So then we have the view results tree and we have that HTTP test screen recorder. Okay, so we are into launch application state, right? So then let me click on uh, sorry, I didn't save it, right? Okay, let me save basic script. Okay, so then let me click on the start recording. Okay, so you can keep it here and you can minimize this one and you can paste the URL. So it's in the launch application. Then let me go to here. See, something here it's recorded, right? It's recorded here. Okay, so whatever the things we are able to see here, right? So then we are going to perform what, uh, sorry, click on sign up, right? So then you can go to here, HTTP script recorder, then click on sign up. Okay, so then you can go to here, click on sign up. So then we can click on the continue to login. Okay, so I'm clicking on the continue to login. Okay, so then coming to last transaction, so click on the logout. Okay, let me click on the sign off. Okay, this is the one. So based on this, let me stop the recording. So so now we are done with the recording. Okay, so let me go to here. We can see all the details here. Okay, whatever, this is a launch based one. Okay, let me sign up. So we are clicking on the sign up here. Okay, click on the continue the details. Okay, yeah, these are the details we are passing here, MAD1, MAD2, all the details. Okay, so go to the view results tree. So this is the view results tree we are trying to enter, right? So this is the one. So let me clear, one second, let me clear all, and let me replay once the script. Okay, see here, we are able to see the replay the script here. Okay, launch application, click on sign up details, and the continue to login and the logout. Here the one thing, for the response data, it's showing here the blue, right? But coming to here the response data, one second, let me see the HTML downloads. Yes, okay, it will take some time. See here, it's showing your username is taken, please choose another. Okay, because why means, so here we are passing the same details again. Okay, so it won't take, right? Again and again, we are, if you are using the same details for the signing up. So for this one we need to do the correlation. Okay, so in the next video we can like we can do the correlation concept and we can see. So if you like this video, please hit on the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.